food lovers. Today we're going to talk about an Ethiopian spice blend, Berbere. It is one of Ethiopia's most emblematic spices, used in many recipes. It has an amazing flavor profile. I'm Wes, welcome to the Spice Files. Let's have a look at the spices we need for this. Some spices are not easy to find, but it's worth searching for them. This is the actual ground Berbere spice mix that has all these spices in there. To start with, we got korerima, also called korarima. These are the seeds of the Ethiopian cardamom, which is a cousin of the black cardamom. It has a sharp floral aroma with a strong camphor flavor. And you can also find hints of clove, nutmeg and pepper on the background. This is a very important spice in the Berbere blend. Another important one is the ruta berry. Its flavor comes very close to the passion fruit. That's why they call it sometimes passion berries. You also have a very complex citrusy flavor on the background. We got some ginger root. I don't have to present you these. The same as the turmeric. You all know what we're talking about. These are cinnamon berries. They are the berries of the cinnamon tree, of course, and they have a flavor very close to Ceylon cinnamon. It has a little background note of black pepper, so very interesting spice as well. We also got regular black peppercorns, cloves, nutmeg. We got dried garlic, dried shallots, so you can also use garlic powder and onion powder. Here we got bird-eye chilies. In Ethiopia they like their food quite hot. Nigella seed, it's a kind of a mixture of oregano and toasted onion flavor. It's a very interesting spice to work with. Jamaica pepper, also called allspice. Coriander seeds, cumin seeds, fenugreek and paprika. This is really a very interesting spice blend. It is sweet, floral, fruity, hot, spicy. It is just an extraordinary blend. And to ground your spices, I highly recommend you to use a grinder like a coffee grinder or a spice grinder, and even better a mortar and pestle, and you'll be sure to get the most out of your spices. If you got whole spices, you can also toast them lightly in the beginning, although some seeds are a little bit more sensible to heat. To give you an example, you don't toast mustard seeds the same time as you do with black peppercorns, and that is the same for the grains of the cardamom. I hope you enjoyed the video and it was useful for you. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so and hit that bell. It's a great motivation for me. And as this story ends, my dear friends, all that's left to say, bon appetit and see you back soon.